coming back with a bang and also being called a chudel is kind of trippy though. But I think इससे better नहीं हो सकता था comeback. I kind of everybody has been asking me the same question. 3 years, 4 years, I've not returned to television. मेरा भी वही point है. Why didn't I return to television? Is because ये show अब बनाए जाके यार मेरी गलती नहीं है. It's not my fault. But I think जो भी है, it was worth the wait. And even if I did not make an appearance on television in the last 3 years did not make any difference because we've done what we had to do. Any one more show wouldn't have made a difference in my career, but this show, I think it came with a lot of conviction. It came with a lot of faith from the makers, and when somebody tells you that they want you for this show, I think that feels very, very respectful. Is why I took, and being known as the face of the show or playing the titular role is also my first time, and I couldn't be happier about it.
Nia, as you said, ये show अब बना है. So, what is the one thing that you are liking in this chudel?
Everything. So मेरे character की एक USP है. She feels she's the most beautiful. She thinks no less of herself. She thinks she's the most she's full of herself basically, which I am not, but I don't mind playing something like that because I know girls who are like that, and I'm getting to imitate them, which are like, oh my god, मेरी खूबसूरती का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है, and all that kind of girls. We all have met them, so it's nice and it's fun to play them because I see them in parties, and I always thought that I wanted to have that kind of confidence. Now I'm getting to play something like that. I think that is fun. And to look glam and to use my own nice kajals on screen, to be winging my liner, using my makeup skills on the show. I'm utilizing my own personal skills, bro.
बहुत ज़्यादा glamorous, चुड़ैल है, sexy
Very
चुड़ैल है.
bold. मुझे भी awkward हो गया एक time पे. I really asked them, are we going that bold for television? Are you guys serious? Nobody was okay because that was me on my Instagram and people had problem. Now I'm like that on television, and who's not going to have a problem? But bro, take it. Now this is it.
Nia, what was your reference part? क्योंकि इतनी glamorous and hot चुड़ैल आज तक टेलीविजन पर आई नहीं थी. So आपने अपने किरदार को और enhance करने के लिए, underline करने के लिए क्या कुछ reference लिया?
References, I just answered this. I think I refer to the girls who think of no end to themselves. You know what I mean? वो ऐसा ये play करने के लिए ना, that I look good in everything and I can make every guy fall in love with me. You need that level of confidence. I personally didn't have it, but I derived this confidence from the girls that I meet at parties, or probably a lot of my friends who look very, very hot, and they come with that confidence in parties that men are just like that, and that's okay. So they were my reference points, and even I stole my friend's makeup because she does a lot of heavy kajal and it looks sultry on her. So I kind of, क्यों बताऊँ, आप फ़ोन करोगे उसको. I'm not going to tell you. So yeah, these are my reference point, but I derive a lot of confidence from the girls that I see in today's life and who think no end to themselves. I think
Also-
that was my reference point. Sorry, yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Also, Nia, इस तरह के shows और भी आते हैं. Superstitious की अगर मैं बात करूँ, how much you believe in superstition, black magic? How much you believe? Also, USP of the show. What will be the USP of the show? Because और भी इस तरह के shows आ चुके हैं.
No, the USP of the show is that it's come with its set storyline. This quest of Nishigandha, this girl, of attaining her 16th Shringar, of eventually becoming immortal and the most beautiful by attaining the 16th Shringar, which is Sindoor, is the storyline of the show, which they're not going to deter from. The show is not going to go where the wind is blowing. Is the USP of the show. It's not going to matter in terms of what the TRPs is going to be and how that's how the story is going to be with that show. This is a pulp fiction. This is out and out entertainment which men would like to watch, and that's the kind of USP, how a girl sways men away and she brings the men audience to watch the show.
Overall year काफी transition हुआ है आपका. What would you like to say about the character wisely and the way you represent yourself? So what would you like to say about it?
I worked hard on it. It was a conscious choice. I wanted to, there is no shortcut to success. If you want to sustain, if you want to keep going, you have to invest in yourself. You have to make that effort to be presentable. And I am a firm believer of that. So I always made sure, even in the last 3 years or 4 years when I was not working, I did not stop investing in myself. I did not stop working on myself. Today, when I've come back better. I probably dance better today. I probably, in my craft also, I think there is a lot of change in how I do my scenes. So a lot of changes have come in the last few years, and I'm glad that to be playing somebody like this, I was ready. I was almost ready because it didn't take much time. Yeah.
कुछ आपने तैयारी की इस कैरेक्टर के लिए? आप इससे पहले कोई मतलब आपने कोई तैयारी की मतलब?
I just kind of wanted to fit very well in the clothes that they had given me because the chudel outfit is very, very sexy. It has a very low line skirt, very waist hugging, and the blouse, the low line blouse. All I did was I had to stop eating. I couldn't afford to have my stomach bulging out and drinking water, and you bloat up, right? So I did not want that. So every day for 12 hours I was neither drinking water nor eating, and I've really gone like crazy, and I've probably ended up losing weight. It was a stupid thing to do, but I still did it. But when I saw myself on screen, I think I was very, very happy. It was exactly how the chudel had to look on the show. Sexy, sultry.
इस चुड़ैल से कितना प्यार होगा दर्शकों?
दर्शकों को
हाँ, मतलब
हो जाएगा. अभी ये मत बोलना फिर प्यार में क्यों पड़ गए कि बोला नहीं था. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so.
रिया ये भी जानना चाहेंगे एज आप कम बैक किए हो टीवी पर, बट काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ है जो लॉन्ग टर्म जो शोज चलते हैं उन्हें नहीं वो लेते हैं, बट व्हाट इज़ योर टेक ऑन दैट? अगर ये शो लंबा चलता है सो
ये शो लंबा चलेगा ना, सो
नहीं, लेकिन ये मंडे टू फ्राइडे होगा ना?
I know it's a daily show, bro.
yearly
Yearly, I think my bank account will flourish. That's what I feel.
okay with long running shows.
I'll buy a few more houses, probably a sports car, and all of that. This is what TV is about. But at the end of the day, ज़्यादा बोल दिया क्या?
Last message to your fans and viewers.
Thank you everybody for such a warm welcome. I really I feel that I've actually come back, and it's always the audience. If they get the support, it'll transform into TRPs, and the show will actually run for years. It will benefit my bank account, guys. So please show all your support and all your love, and let's make it a hit show.
Also Nia, इतना heavy look कैसे carry कर पा रही हो? Every day, especially in summer.
ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, बस बॉडी में ना खुजली बहुत होती है. It pokes everywhere, but these are our occupational hazards. We have to live with it no matter what. That outfit is actually very, very pokey.
आपकी इंडस्ट्री में कई सारे फ्रेंड्स थे, उन्होंने क्या रिएक्शन दिया? अर्जुन
Crystal का क्या
सर
reaction?
वो गिर गए हंस के. Everybody, मैंने ना ऐसे होली was the one occasion where I was almost finalized for the show, and I told my friends, they laughed their asses off, and not that I was expecting any other reaction. Arjun started calling me चुड़ैल from that day onward. वो मुझे चुड़ैल ही बुलाता every time he calls me. Yeah, Ravi, Crystal, everybody was just like, they were laughing. What else will they do? We all tripped on the name so much.
मैम फ्यूचर में क्या प्रोडक्शन हाउस ओपन करना?
आपको मेरी शक्ल से लगता है मैं प्रोडक्शन हाउस संभाल पाऊंगी? I would rather.
क्यों नहीं कर
I would probably want to start a makeup line. You're talking about getting into business, right?
Yes, yes.
I want to start my own makeup line if I ever have that acumen or a brain to start something like that.
Cool.
Thank
Thank you
you.
guys.
Thank you.
Lovely talking.
Likewise. ऊपर जा रहे?
We'll get her. तुम लोग पहले सेटअप कर लो.